You're watching News 54. A popular lady by the name of Bridget Ochieng surprisingly told the public that a popular gospel singer by the name of Ringtone Apoko allegedly used her while she was crying for help. In a live video she posted on Instagram, Bridget said that Ringtone took advantage of her despite being a gospel singer. He later told her that she won't report him anywhere because he had money that Bridget never had. Bridget says that by then she was just a simple ghetto girl while her mother was just a mere tailor. All they could source was nothing but a hand-to-mouth type of lifestyle. Also, Bridget feels that the young girls who are running for help thinking that this big artist would help them might be passing through a lot of challenges. At the time this thing happened, Bridget says that he had no guts, she did not know who to run to, and of all, she did not have the audacity because of her low financial level. But now she has some few millions and that gives her energy to speak about what happened 7 years ago.
Mama, Ringtone took advantage of me and she's still there. The mother is still there singing gospel to you guys. That guy took advantage of me. Yes, I'm strong now, I can talk about it. If he's serving a living God, I would like him to come out there and say that I'm lying. He told me nothing, I would do nothing to him. I was in the ghetto, my mom was just a tailor. There is nothing I could have done. There's no one I could have cried to. We barely had something to eat. There's nothing, I didn't talk about it to anybody. I can talk now. I can speak up now. At least now I have few millions. If I want to speak, I would do it. But what about these young girls who are coming from Umuruma, wherever? I am a victim of rape with a very famous person. And back in the day, I never thought maybe I will get this fame one day and speak for myself. But I told Ringtone one day. At the time, I went to meet this man called Ringtone. And I'm going to put it out here. And it's not for clouds, fuck clouds, because most of the time, you don't see me even posting a picture. Just because Bridget wore a top that is showing cleavage, it's okay for Bridget to be raped. No. And I put my life in Ringtone's arm, thinking this man is going to help my career as a musician and as a choir girl, that when I go and visit him, he told me, come to my house. And this man took advantage of me. I've never talked about it, and I just told my sister last night. And I was living in Kibera. I remember very well. We used to live in Kibera, Lindi. And I didn't have power to even do anything to this man. And he told me, you will do nothing about it, Bridget. You will go nowhere. So took advantage of me 7 years back, and he told me I would do nothing just because, even if he told me if I go to the police, if I do whatever, nobody will come.
This video however caught Ringtone Apoko's attention, and this is what he had to say.
Eti ng'ombe imenona iko na maziwa iko round hapo inaanza kuongea, mnaanza kuniambia kijana wa Yesu ni msafi, mkiniangalia mimi ni msafi. Kijana wa Yesu ako na class ya wale watu ambao wanaweza muongelesha kitu. Kijana wa Yesu bana, mimi niko na standard. Sometimes mzininganisha na vitu zinakaa sijui aje. Mimi ni kijana wa Yesu bana. Wacha niwaambie, ingekuwa ni kwa sababu yenyu nyinyi ambao mnaniongea ujinga, ningekuwa nilioza nikakufa nikasaulika, lakini Mungu amewazidi akili. Mimi nakwambia, kama ingekuwa ni kwa sababu yenyu eti ndio muziki wangu ukue juu, ungekuwa mlinikataa kitambo. Simlishanikataa, si mnajijua? Hey, Mungu amewazidi akili wajinga nyinyi. Mungu akawazidi akili. Niko hapa, Mungu kawazidi akili majinga nyinyi karare. Kesho uamke kwa shida yako. Kesho uamke bana ukiwa unaishi kwa bedsitter yako. Kesho uamke bana ukiwa una stima. Kesho kaamke bwana blanketi yako imeraruka. Kesho kaamke bwana kiatu yako ni mbaya. Kesho kaamke bwana uko na tatizo na mshwari na mkopa na kitu yote. Mimi niache maisha yangu, niko na Mungu wangu. Ujinga mnaoongea hamuniguzi, niko na Yesu. Hamuniguzi, niko na Baba. Hamuniguzi, niko na Yesu. Takataka stupid kalale. Koja mlale.